Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about the Gamestop stock price. What exactly is going on? Okay, before I start it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy everyone! Why is GameStop stock soaring and why did Robinhood restrict trades? Here's how Reddit expanding Wall Street in a week and what is happening next. On January 12th, GameStop stock price began its meteoric rise in historical high, blasting in $15 share price. In mid-December to a peak in 467 per share at the time writing. This explosion in value has made traders a fortune, but it wasn't sweet on Wall Street, profiting of the has been more than 700% boost in share price in just 1 week. It has been amateur traders who have ranked in millions. So what exactly happened to cause an unprecedented spikes in GameStop valuation? Okay, next I'm gonna talk about it's a David versus Goliath story is a core. It is begin with a GameStop. Sovereign business, the video game retailer was once a staple of strip malls, but online game platform like Steam and the ongoing coronavirus pandemic has bettered the business. GameStop was projected to close 1,000 stores by the end of the March 2021, which was a response to losses over the course of the 2019 and 2020. The company even hired Nintendo of America President Reggie Fils-Aimé earlier 2020 and struck a profit-sharing deal with Microsoft to mount comeback. Still, the future looked break for the retailer, and hedge fund noticed the potential to make profit from its downfall. Investment firm like Melvin Capital bet big on GameStop share price. Banking on the trading strategy known as short selling is a very simple maneuver that involves hedge fund borrowing GameStop share from lender at a one fee, for example, and promise to give them all back. The firm then sell the stock at their current price, say $10. Then wait for the price to sink in $5 so they can repurchase them for cheaper and earn a profit, which will be $4 in this case. And shorting stock can over huge profit if executed seamless, but it can be extremely risky if the short stock surge. In GameStop case, hedge funds were so confident that its stock would plunge that they compound their short over months and made billions. This proved to be such a gold mine that big-time investors became overzealous and essentially borrowed more stock than they could ever buy back. According to the Business Insider, 72 million GameStop shares, 140% of all available shares, were short as of January 22. More shares were being lent than actually exist. And then when an online community of the amateur trader lived on the hedge fund planned to make a killing. So this is about the GameStop price explain the big squeeze. The Wall Street-based Reddit forum is currently 4.7 million members strong at the time of writing, up from 1.8 million on January, according to the internet. The community was once only known for its toxic jargon and its members bragging about tremendous gain or massive losses or risky trades. Now it's become the community that has cost hedge fund billion, all because it caught wind of the astronomical amount of money being poured in the brewery GameStops. Short interest in specific companies, publicly available, and Wall Street-based users understood that hedge funds would be forced to buy back the stock they borrowed and sold eventually. So they decided to buy as many shares as possible to boost the share price, which led the GameStop skyrocketing valuation. When the stock began its momentum climb, short sellers were forced to buy the stock as well to prevent even greater losses, which only caused the stock price to spike higher. That result is a make phenomenon known as a short squeeze. A similar situation happened in German car company Volkswagen in 2008 and 2009. So this is the date has caused hedge fund like Melvin. The firm received 2.75 billion bailout on the January 25 after losing more than 5 billion on its GameStop short, reported the Wall Street. Short sellers doubled down on their bets, begging that the stock price would crash soon. They also appeared on financial news network arguing that what had happened was market manipulation, but all of that attention backfired. So this is all about the ad, and then the next one is about the Gamestop stock price explain the fallout. Following the extraordinary moment for small-time trader, politicians like New York or Congresswoman Alexandria, it's really something to see Wall Streeters being bested by a message, and then board Barstow Sports David Portnoy engaged trader on even more by tweeting he predicted trading would be integratical, but all of his excitement came screeching to a halt on January 28 when popular broker Robin Hood and TD Alderman issued trade restriction on the GameStop. So this is all about the GameStop, and then the next one is about the how the GameStop in the January 28, GameStop stock remains within the 200 and 250 range. For many small time trader owning this stock is no longer about the money, but about the sending a message. Wall Street best member and many other who jumped on board did it to be a part of one of the most stunning demonstration of the U.S. stock market is history. Some traders have expressed their interest to never sell their position to keep them as a memento of time when the amateur traders squeeze hedge fund out of the billion. So this is all about the GameStop. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.